Height discrimination is real, guys. According to the American Psychological Association, every inch counts. In the workplace, each inch is worth $789 more per year. Think about that, $789 more per year. That means someone who is 6 feet tall earns on average $166,000 more in a 30-year career compared to someone who is 5'5". And don't get me started on height discrimination in the dating world. But to all my short guys out there, you don't have to worry anymore because there's this brand called Jennen who specializes in elevator shoes. Shoes that are designed to give you a height boost. Lucky for me, they sent me a pair to try out myself. So in this video, I want to give you guys a close look on a pair of Jennen shoes and show you guys what elevator shoes even are and how are they different from regular shoes. And by the end of this video, if you like what you're seeing, there's a promo link in the description below where you can check out the website and use my promo code MFF to save 5% off your next order. Let's start off with an unboxing first. I have here the Jennen elevator shoes plus a couple of extra gifts. First, we have a care package which includes a shoehorn, a money clip, and a microfiber cloth. We also have the Easy Lift insoles, which is meant for inserting in any non-elevator shoes. It adds 1.6 centimeters to your height, plus it provides good arch support, cushioning, and comfort. So thank you again, Jennen, for sending me these items. And now we have what you've been all waiting for. These are the Mr. Parkinson's dress shoes in black. It retails for $145 and it looks beautiful. Right out the bag, there's a strong leather smell, and that's because this is made from real leather. For the material starting at the bottom, we have a rubber outsole, a built-in hidden polyurethane insole that gives you that height increase, and a cushion topper, and a premium grade cow leather upper. Now let's take a look at how these shoes look on feet. You're probably wondering, is the height boost going to be noticeable and look awkward on feet? Because of their unique design, you can wear these to weddings or job interviews and no one is going to be able to tell that you're wearing elevator shoes. And you'll probably forget too because of how comfortable these shoes are. So I can confidently say that these Jennen elevator shoes are designed so well that they look exactly like regular black shoes, which is why these shoes are so great. They're comfortable and constructed with high quality leather. You just can't go wrong with a pair of Jennen dress shoes. Now let's talk about what makes these shoes so special. For comparison, I have with me a pair of regular dress shoes and the elevator shoes from Jennen. As you can see, the heel size is about the same, but it's not the outer sole that affects the shoe. What makes elevator shoes so special is what's inside the shoe. In regular shoes, the insole will line flat with the base of the shoe, and compared to elevator shoes, the insole doesn't run parallel to the outsole. At the toe, it does start flush, but towards the heel area, this will start to go higher. As a result, your heel will be sitting a lot higher than the shoe. For these Jennen shoes specifically, the outsole will give you 2.5 centimeters and the insole will curve up and give you 5.5 centimeters for a total height increase of 8 centimeters. Now you're probably thinking, why can't I just stick a thicker insole into my regular shoes to make me taller? You can give it a shot, but it's gonna be really uncomfortable because normal shoes like these aren't made for your heel to be sticking out. Putting the shoes side by side, you'll see that the heel sits higher in the elevator shoes. This allows your foot to sit higher comfortably. It gives you the support you need in the heel and ankles. Also, if you take a closer look at the elevator shoes, this area will angle up more, which allows your foot to sit in a natural position when it's raised. On the side, you can see the relief cut with this elastane material sewn in the back to really give your foot more flexibility. Now I'm going to try on both shoes to give you guys a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see the height difference when I wear a regular pair of dress shoes compared to the Jennen elevator shoes. So this is how I look with regular shoes, and this is how I look with the Jennen elevator shoes. As you can see, it's a very noticeable difference. Without the elevator shoes, I'm 5'10", and with the elevator shoes, I'm 6'1". Honestly, I feel like I belong in the NBA with these shoes on. So I had a chance to walk outside with these shoes, and it is way more comfortable than you think. I thought it'd be like wearing high heels for men, but I was so wrong. The insole had so much cushion, so it feels like your foot is walking on a cloud. The added elastane really allows you more mobility, and you can walk in these shoes for miles with no problem at all. So thank you again, Jennen, for sending me these shoes and teaming up with me to help me make this video. I highly recommend you guys check out the website. They have so many different designs to choose from, so I'm confident that you'll find something you like. Also, don't forget to use my promo code MFF to save 5% off your next order. And that's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.